Were there certain experiences that inspired your later path as a musician?
And it wasn't until I was in Austria that the importance that Jewish music became important, and it was there that I studied at the academy in Graz, Austria, the Hochschule für Musik, and composition that's what I got my master's degree in, and that was, like I said, during the time of the Waldheim era, and so much anti-Semitism had broken out in Austria that I became partly drawn to Jewish music because of that. I mean, to know what is it that, is happening in this world. And having lived in Austria, from 1984, I was 24 years old when I moved there and lived there till I was 41. I lived there 17 years. That was where I realized this is a country or continent where there's really not much Jewish music happening. In 1984, there wasn't very much happening in the area of Jewish music in Austria. So I felt kind of drawn to researching it and even renewing it, reviving it, so to speak. But, it was almost like a mission, a missionary kind of impulse that's led me to do that. But plus, a friend of mine, Aron Saltiel, who sings Sephardic music, had pushed some tapes into my hands, some cassette tapes of Klezmer music. I kind of fell in love with it when he did that. They were the old recordings of Klezmer bands, and so there was a certain feeling of this place has been decimated, the music as well as the people. Here I am, this is something I should be doing. There was sort of not political, but a personal feeling of needing to rejuvenate this thing there. That disappeared with the time. It's gradually become less and less important to me. First and foremost, because now it's a movement in a way. So many more people are doing Klezmer music and Jewish music. It's almost not necessary to do that work. But at the time, I thought it was important. And what remained was my love of the music and the culture. And that's remained there, and the interest in doing that. But Jewish music was not, for the longest time, was not my favorite type of music to do. So I guess there was some identity issues there that needed to be explored through music.